I'm James and I'm here to talk to you about contact center technology. So if you work in or manage a busy contact center environment, there are a number of benefits you can recognise by adopting contact center technology, and I'm here to tell you more about that today. So in this modern world, by being able to introduce different methods of communication, whether that's social media, web chat, WhatsApp or email, contact center technology gives you the ability to report on and communicate through them channels. So if your business uses different methods of communicating with different people, whether that's social media, web chat, traditional calls, SMS, contact center technology gives you the ability to do that. From one easy to use interface, meaning that you've got full visibility of all the interactions that are coming in and out of your organisation. By utilising reporting in the contact centre, it allows you to performance manage. So where your team are really doing a great job handling a number of different queries, you're able to reward and incentivise people for doing that. But contact centre technology is scalable as well, so you don't have to be a large corporate organisation to benefit from this technology. When businesses adopt this technology, it not only makes the experience better for you as a customer ringing in, it also delivers a greater experience to your organisation. So by utilising automation as part of the contact centre technology, we're able to deflect and automate a lot of simple queries that come into the team. For example, a travel organisation that we work with, a common query coming into that organisation was asking for information such as, when is my transfer? By utilising voice recognition, the system was quickly able to recognise that this was a simple query and could automate that interaction, sending an SMS out to the customer with a link to where they could get that information, meaning that the contact centre was able to use their resources more efficiently and handling queries that were more complex.